Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am super excited to give you guys the results of the OEM $300 free giveaway. Here they are. So before I give you the results, I have to build the anticipation and the expectation. For those of you who do not know, I was able to contact OEM and they contacted me, and we did a contest for a $300 giveaway to any of my viewers. Only Hooked on Pickin viewers get this. And so a lot of people did exactly what was expected of them. Basically what happened was there were 20 contestants, and then they were narrowed down to 10 randomly. They were all stuck in envelopes, randomly narrowed down to 10, then narrowed down to 5, then one person was chosen. And so I'm really excited to give the results of that. But before I do, I wanted to let you know that OEM Experts has a lot of upcoming new items, which I'm going to be putting up on the screen. I've got some pictures of new products that they are going to be that they currently have in the warehouse. And so if you're looking into being able to get a box from them, then these are the types of things that you're going to be getting. Remember, they focus on consumer electronics, so they have a lot of electronic style of items. So they've got phone cases, tablet cases, things of that nature. They do have other variety of items. I've gotten clothing from them and various different things, but just call your OEM sales rep and try to find out what best works for you. But I'm not going to delay it any longer, but I wanted to give you guys the details. So our winner is, drum roll please, Scott Patrone, and he followed every single step. Scott Patrone from New Jersey is the winner of our $300 giveaway. You will be very soon contacted by Bobby from OEM Experts, and he will let you know exactly what you'll be expecting. But thank you so much. I plan on hopefully, I've talked with Bobby, and hopefully I'll be able to, in about another month, do another one of these contest giveaways. And so thank you all for participating, and be on the lookout for the next OEM Experts $300 giveaway drawing from their company. And so thank you so much to OEM Experts for allowing this possibility for my viewers. And I hope, Scott, if you're watching this, I really hope that you comment on this. Let us know what you get. I'll try to do an update, and I'd love to be able to interview you on what exactly you got, and maybe we can do an update for everyone else on what you got in your box. So hopefully this has been really fun, and thank you all who participated, and thanks for all the comments and questions you guys have been giving me. And I've got some new Poshmark videos coming out, so keep on the lookout for those. I've already put one out as of yesterday, so check that out. It's my first week of selling on Poshmark, and then it's just increased from there. So hope everybody has a wonderful day and enjoy this beautiful sunshine in the summertime. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.